Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a scientific calculator and locating the ln or log key. Press clear to avoid leftover values. Enter the number or expression you need to evaluate, for example 5 or 2 plus 3. If your calculator has shift or second functions, make sure you use the direct ln key rather than inverse log. You do this because ln returns the natural logarithm base e, which measures continuous growth. Once entered, you're ready to compute. You now handle more complex inputs. Wrap fractions and exponents in parentheses to preserve order of operations, for example ln 3/2 or ln 2/3. If you're working from a prior result, use ands or memory to reference the previous output rather than retyping. This avoids rounding drift. Remember why parentheses matter. Calculators evaluate sequentially, so misplacement changes the value. Once done, press equals and review the displayed value to ensure it matches your expected magnitude. You finish by verifying your result and addressing common pitfalls. Confirm your input wasn't 0 or negative since ln is undefined there, and if uncertain, use the inverse function ex or exp with the computed value to recover the original number. If the result seems off, check angle mode, parentheses, and whether you used ln versus log base 10. Make sure to restart the calculator or reset settings if anomalies persist. This single troubleshooting step usually fixes display or mode errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.